Hi guys, quick video on how to change your gas struts for your tailgate. I've just replaced this side. I'm just going to do a quick video on how to replace that side. So here goes. You'll need a T25 Torx bit, and undo screws, that one, and that one. Now remove plastic trim. Now I need to get to and access this area. So you need to pry away this. And it does take some time. Just be nice and slow and careful and not to rip it. I'm just using a pry bar to come in under here and slowly, you see the spring behind it, slowly keep the pressure on. And get that seal cover off. And that is our spring here. Now we're going to need to get the other end of that off that little noggin, but we're going to start with this side. It's easier if you come around the back, and it's just in there. I don't know if you can see it on the phone. Anyway, we're going to pop off the little cap at the back. Now where my screwdriver is, along the left hand side, and I'm literally, you can't really see it, but I'm on the back of the cap, the back of that basically, just to pry the little catch off. So I'm in there, give it a little wiggle. So I was just pulling that off. Now I'm just going to get my little bar, and I'm just going to pop it off. So all I've done there is got in and popped it off, and you can see the shock now here. Now I need to get to that little one, pop him off and take him off. Clip off, and now you just need to slide him out. Now for this to come out, you need to get the spring and put the spring up this way in the little hole just at the side of your little plunger. Then the front end can pull out and drop down without actually having to undo the window one that's along here. So now I'm going to repeat the process with the new one. Put the new one in the hole, then I'm going to click this end on, then I'm going to click this end on, and then just replace the rubber seal, the plastic, and then all the trim piece. So now I'm going to get a new shock, and I'm just going to slide him into the hole. So now he's up there. I'm now going to get this end on the little pin. That you need to get a torch. Make sure you're near the hole, and then just push him on, pretty much with your hand, depending on how strong you are. You can see under there, that literally the top of that is ready to push on. Cool, that's on. I'll put my new one on that end. Now I'm just going to have a little look at this end and where he sits. And so literally, he just wants to sit on there. Once you've got it in place, give it a little wiggle, make sure it's on. Make sure it's on the end spigot there. And obviously make sure it's on the end spigot right at the end. You can still leave that one in situ. And now I can remove my piece of wood and Tailgate stays there. One fixed tailgate. Now replace this little seal here. Just pushed it up because I've done it the same day. It's all still sticky. I'm now going to put this little plastic tray up with the 3 screws, T25s. I've now done the same again this side. Put the cover in, put that up with the 3 bolts. I've now got to fit the side piece. Make sure all your clips are around the right way and on. Obviously try and salvage as many as you can. Obviously I've got a few missing now. Just get a pair of grips in there, pull it out and put them back on here. So make sure your full bottom clips are all lined up. You've got a hole here, which is that little one there. Other than that, clip him on and then just replace that centre bit. Once your plastic's on, fit your little screw. Just hold that top on. Do the same again on the other side. Lovely. Now we've just got to fit the centrepiece and hook that into our light. Again, make sure your clips are around the right way and try to save as many as you can. You're going to need to put your light back on there and then just clip it up. And there you have it, 2 new gas struts.